Tabcorp. Of course, we've got the demerger. That's certainly affected the outlook for the company. So what are your prospects then considered as far as Tabcorp is concerned?
Yeah, look, I think everyone understands. So we expect the demerger to go through. I think everyone understands and appreciates the quality of the lotteries business. In fact, that's what they're trying to do through this demerger, really unlock that, the value in the lotteries business. And we know the wagering business has been under pressure, significant amount of competition. Obviously, the lockdowns from COVID-driven restrictions didn't help. And in fact, Tabcorp's been one of our key calls for this year. And this year it's held up, the share price has held up really well relative to the market and even broader market. And one of the reasons we like Tabcorp, because heading into demergers, typically the stocks tend to outperform the market. But bringing it back to the fundamentals, I think everyone understands the prospects around the lotteries business, but I think the market is a bit too over negative on the wagering business as well. So what I really mean by that is I think there's enough negative sentiment already built in to the valuation of the wagering business. And I think post the demerger, if the new management team can just stabilize earnings, and if we can have no restrictions, COVID-driven restrictions, and we know the wagering competition is already there, so there's no new surprises there. If the company can just stabilize earnings and execute some of its strategies, you might actually see the wagering business get an allocation, a higher multiple applied to it. So not necessarily a earnings rebound that we're looking for in the wagering business, but just a better multiple being applied. So our view is that if you're holding Tabcorp, we would hold it. You may even want to position ahead of the demerger to get allocation, but post the demerger, don't be quick to sell your wagering part of the business, because look, it could become a value trap, but your starting base is quite low. So Don't be too negative on the wagering business, is our view.